Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can out share my video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Send me the video. Be able to on Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. If you want to buy your Gari, that's Gari and beans recipe. Where beans no oba ohro. O hu we pe na da kwagu saucepan eden obenoa eden ewu mu wodi enso eden aka ho ese enso no di mebre eden egum wakata so na da kosi jas coaster me beben but sem bia wo ho ana wahwe we palm oil now they chop onion aka ho now they blend the pepper now they see jas so achimo we are now the all purpose vegetable seeds by optional on pa on fire the enka ho wo be chimo kakra we pe now the salt aka ho no wakoso ayeden amemu achi aye ready na watwe na de si nchen na wahwe beans no so ohwe na beans no so aye mra na wo de salt egumu emra beans ni si so no twetwa wo yellow plantain no wakoche wo medium hot oil mu. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. And be I saw that said the enshi. Then you na be bempe. Eben pen we ye fi anwen na de si nche no akore se beans no abia no wa serve ni nyina together. Make much the kind out share my video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Send me the video be better on Sabeka. Me we na me taste and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our Gari and beans recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.